Good day, everyone. I'm Joshua Gokong, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to share my thoughts on two meaningful topics that shape not only for personal development but also our academic experience as students of College of Business and Accountancy. So these are the importance of IQ versus EQ and how CBA can further improve its service to students like us. So first question is, which is more important to you, IQ or EQ? So when it comes to choosing between IQ and EQ, I believe both are essentials. But EQ or emotional quotient is more important in today's world. IQ measures our ability to process information and solve problems logically, and that's valuable, especially in academics. However, EQ deals with how we understand emotions, communicate, empathize, and manage relationships. Skills that are crucial in any workplace or leadership position. So in real life, success is not just about being smart, but also about being emotionally aware. A person with high EQ knows how to stay calm under pressure, handle conflicts, and lead with compassion. So these are the kinds of quality that builds trust, cooperation, and positive environments, qualities that are sometimes even more impactful than intelligence alone. So, question number 2, where can CBA improve on its service to students? So, as for how CBA or College of Business and Accountancy can improve its service, I'd like to start by appreciating the efforts already in place, from academic support to students' activities. But there are areas where we can go even more. For instance, CBA could offer more real-world exposure through internships, business case competitions, and mentorship programs. So these opportunities allow students to apply what we learn in class to real business scenarios. Another key area is career preparation, hosting more resume building workshops, mock interviews, alumni talks, and networking events will give students a better head start after graduation. Lastly, we can improve communication between students and administration by creating stronger feedback mechanisms, maybe through regular surveys, or open forums, so that students feel heard and supported. So, in conclusion, while intelligence is more important, emotional intelligence is what truly helps us connect, lead, and grow into this world. And as part of the CBA, I see great potential in strengthening our learning environment through practical exposure, career support, and better student engagement. With these improvements, I believe CBA can further empower students to become not just capable professionals, but also compassionate leaders. Thank you, and that will be all.